Hello, matey here. Shar asked me if I could show her how to add rain to a picture, so I'm going to do that now. There's a couple of ways you can do it. It's probably the easiest way that I know. Like you can, there's two ways. You can make a brush and paint the rain in, which I'll do in another video, or you can find images like these here, which are just pictures of rain falling. Alright, so I just went into Google and typed in rain and searched for images, and I've got these here, so I'll show you how you can use these. Alright, so first things first, I might take one of these to this one here, drag this one into our image. Alright, so because it's black, we're just going to change the layer style of this. We're going to put it to screen. Alright, so what screen does is it hides the black, but it wasn't perfectly black. So if we adjust the levels by going Control L and just sliding the black over there a little bit, gets rid of the any bits there. It's just left the right raindrops now, so I'll click OK. I'm going to copy this layer. I'm going to move that across there. I'm going to resize these two images just to make the raindrops smaller. So if I highlight both layers, Control T to transform. Put that there like that. I'll copy those two layers, Control J, and I'll drag them down. Alright, so there's a bit of a line there, we can fix that up probably. Right, so I'm going to group these, they're both highlighted, so Control G puts them into a group, put a layer mask on that group. Right, so that's the bottom ones. With black, I'm just going to soften up that line that's there, so I'm going to get a big soft brush. Yep, hardness to 0. I'm just going to paint along that line. And do the same with this. Oops, didn't want to do that. Control Z, Control G to make a group. Put a layer mask on the group. It's a handy tip. If you click once on one side of the image, then go to the other side, holding down the Shift key and click again, it just draws a straight line. Right, now if I move these two together, I should be able to get them to merge so it doesn't look like there's a straight line there. Alright, so that looks alright. Move them both up a bit. Alright, so just going to paint out our model here, because this, we're going to try to make this rain look like it's coming from behind. I might just flip that around a bit, like that. Group these again, put another layer mask on it. Just take the rain away from there, like that. Alright, so there's some rain. Let's add some more rain. Alright, so we've got some splashes here along there. I want something like that. What else have we got? Alright, so I'm going to take a selection there. Copy that. Control C, and then Control V to paste it into the image. So obviously that's blue. We want this to be black and white. So if you go Control U, you can brings up the hue and saturation. You just desaturate that image. Then if we change that to screen, and again the black wasn't quite black, so Control L to bring up the levels. I'll just grab that black slider there, drag that across. Alright, so I'm going to use that to have rain splashing off the top of her head and horizontal surfaces here, so let's do this. Let's transform this, and then right click and we'll warp it. So I'll put a curve in it there. Alright, like that. Put a layer mask over there. We'll just blend that in a bit, cleaning up these edges here. We can get some splashing on the ground there too. Let's we'll try this one. So it's Control A to select, Control C to copy, and then we'll paste it in there, Control V to paste. Alright, so we need to desaturate this as well, so Control U to bring up the hue and saturation. Change the blend mode to screen. Then we need to adjust the levels, so Control L. Just bring it across a bit. So let's put that down there like that. We'll put a layer mask on there. Just sort of blend that in a bit. So black brush with soft edges. If I bring down the opacity a bit and the flow, you can just take some of the brightness out of that there. So let's copy this layer, Control J, transform it and flip it, so Control T, and flip horizontally, put that there. of black, I'll just take a little bit of shine out there. Alright, so let's get some more rain, put over the top. Some one we've used already. Let's try this one. Control A, Control C. Let's flip that around so it's all coming from the same direction. Change this to screen. Turn down the opacity a bit. There you go. Quick way of doing some rain. Thanks for watching. As always, if you enjoyed, please like, subscribe and share. It encourages me to do more. Bye.